stop by and take a look at the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.